Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry for boards. Begin by thoroughly understanding your Class 10 chemistry syllabus and the exam pattern. Next, create a structured study schedule, allocating specific time slots for each chapter. Focus on understanding core concepts like atomic structure and chemical bonding, as these form the foundation. Always utilize your NCERT textbook as your primary resource. It's essential for mastering every topic and forms the base for board exam questions. To truly master chemistry, prioritize important chapters like carbon and its compounds and acids, bases, and salts due to their high weightage. Practice balancing chemical equations daily to build both speed and accuracy. Regularly review the periodic table to recall element properties and trends, which is crucial for understanding reactions. Additionally, make concise, handwritten notes of all formulas, reactions, and key definitions for quick revision. Employ effective study techniques to boost your understanding. Draw diagrams and visual representations, such as chemical structures, as they significantly aid retention. Solve all chapter-end questions and blueprint questions from your NCERT textbook. When tackling numerical problems, always write down the given values and formulas first. Also, use flashcards for quick revision of chemical formulas, reactions, and periodic table elements, making learning more efficient. For exam preparation, solve previous year question papers from at least the last 5 years to understand question types and difficulty. Attempt mock tests to familiarize yourself with the exam format and manage your time effectively. And for those busy study days, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals to help you stay organized and fueled. Finally, dedicate time at the end of each week for comprehensive revision of all learned topics to ensure strong retention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.